Hello, my friend. Welcome back to our YouTube channel again. My topic is about religion. This is a little bit sensitive topic, and I made 5 series out of it. Part one, I'm doing just an introduction about religion, and part two is the pros. Pros means the positive side of religion, and part three is the cons or the negative part of religion. Part 4 is Panakia or the recommended solution. And the last part 5, is the religious point of view of yours truly, me. So let's start with our part 1. What is religion? It comes from the both English French and Anglo-Norman and means respect for the sense of right, moral obligation, sanctity, what is sacred, reverence for the gods. It is ultimately derived from the Latin word religio. According to Roman philosopher Cicero, religio comes from legere, meaning again, plus re means again, lego means read. Where lego is in the sense of go over, choose, or consider carefully. So what is religion? It is commonly refers to an institution that has a set of organized practices and a structured belief system shared by and among those who are members of the institution. Their beliefs, which are often transcendental, are passed on from members to converts and are based on either a formally documented creed or established cultural practices. Each of these traditions has its own set of beliefs, practices, and rituals. Religion often plays a significant role in shaping people's worldview, guiding their behavior, and providing a sense of purpose and meaning. Religion can be broadly categorized into different traditions, such as in Abrahamic religions, we have here Judaism, which is from Israel, started in Israel, and even Christianity from Israel, Islam in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Baha'i faith is from Iran, and Druze from Egypt. So those are Abrahamic religions. Other religions, we have Hinduism, Jainism, Sikhism, Buddhism, religions which originates from India. And from Japan, we have here Shinto, Tenrism. There are two from Japan. And from China, I have here two, Taoism and Confucianism. And from Africa, I have here one, Voodoo. Vietnam, two, Hua Haoism. And second is Caodaism. It's from Vietnam. And from Korea, also two, Moism and Seondoism, which originates from Korea. How about our national flags? In the world, there are 198 countries having a national flags, but a third of it includes religious symbols. So out of 198 national flags, 64 countries have religious symbols on their national flags. Here we have in Christianity 31 national flags where part of the symbol is religious. And Islam, 21 religious flags. Buddhism, there are two. I can name here two, which is Bhutan and Sri Lanka. And for a combination of Hinduism and Buddhism, there are three national flags. That is in Cambodia, in India, and Nepal. And Judaism, which is only one, belongs to Israel national flag. And other religions, there are six. So total of 64 national flags with symbols with religious symbols. On the other hand, philosophy of religion involves all the main areas of philosophy. Might be metaphysics, epistemology, value theory, which including moral theory and applied ethics, logic, aesthetics, philosophy of language, science, history, politics, arts, and so on. So religious philosophers often explore abstract and complex concepts, such as the nature of truth, free will, and the meaning of life. Overall, religious philosophy are important areas of study that help us to better understand our world and our place in it. Whether exploring the nature of God or the foundations of morality, religious philosophy can provide valuable insights and perspectives on some life's most profound questions. What are those most profound questions? There are four. Who am I? Where I came from? Where I am going? Or what's my purpose of life? And the fourth, where I am going. I will elaborate that in the next video. So, for the meantime, I will separate religion and philosophy to emphasize our discussion. There is a long history of overlap and interaction between religion and philosophy. So there's a study on religion and also a study on philosophy alone. But I make a comparison here. So for example, many early philosophers were also religious thinkers. And they often sought to reconcile their philosophical ideas with their religious beliefs. In some cases, religious ideas and concepts have influenced the development of philosophical thought and vice versa. There are four: source of knowledge, beliefs and practices, purpose and role in society. So, first one, source of knowledge. Religion is often based on revealed knowledge, such as a religious text or a prophet's teaching that is accepted on faith. Philosophy, on the other hand, is concerned with using reason and logic to explore questions about the nature of reality, knowledge, ethics, and existence. About the comparison of religion and philosophy on beliefs and practices. So religion often involves a set of beliefs and practices related to the divine or supernatural. It may include the worship of a deity, observance of rituals and ceremonies, and adherence to the moral code. Philosophy, by contrast, does not have a fixed set of beliefs or practices, but rather seek to critically examine and understand different philosophical ideas. The third is comparison on purpose. Religion often seeks to provide a sense of meaning and purpose to its followers and may offer a path to salvation or enlightenment. Philosophy, while it may touch on questions of purpose and meaning, It is primarily concerned with the understanding and exploring different concepts. And last but not the least, the comparison in the role in society. Religion often plays a significant role in shaping society and culture and can have a significant impact on social and political issues. Philosophy, while it may influence individual beliefs and actions, is less directly involved in shaping societal values and institutions. That's all for this video. Thank you, my friend, for listening. See you in our next video.